In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage dependencies in Monday.com. Dependencies help you control the order of work by telling your board which tasks must be finished before others can begin. They're especially useful when your project has handoffs or critical paths, because they make the flow of work visible and easier to schedule. In a few minutes, you'll add a dependencies column to your board and be ready to link tasks so your team knows exactly what comes first, what follows, and what's waiting. Start by opening your Monday.com workspace and navigating to the board where you manage your tasks. In this example, I'm using a board called Trial Management, Task 1, but you can follow along on any project board. Make sure you have permission to edit the board because you'll be adding a new column. At the top of the board, look for the option to add a column. It typically sits to the right of your existing columns in the header. Click Add Column to open the column picker. If you don't see the option, you may be in a view that hides the header. Switch back to the main board view so the header is visible. From the column picker, choose More Columns to open the full library of column types. This broader view makes it easier to find exactly what you need and avoid scrolling through a long list of popular options. Use the search bar and type the word dependency. You're looking for the dependencies column, which is designed to connect items on your board. The search helps you jump straight to it, even if your workspace has lots of custom columns available. Select the dependencies column and click Add to Board. Monday.com will place the new column alongside your existing ones. If you prefer a different position, you can drag the column header left or right to keep it near related fields like status or due date. With the column added, you can now indicate which tasks rely on others. Open a cell in the dependencies column for a given task and choose the items it depends on. This tells your team that the task can't start until its prerequisites are complete. For clarity, keep your item name specific and only link the true blockers so the sequence stays meaningful rather than cluttered. A quick tip: dependencies become even more powerful when your board also includes a date or timeline column and you later choose to add automations. That way, if a predecessor shifts, you can automatically adjust the timing of the dependent task. Even without automations, the visual link keeps everyone aligned on order and priority. And that's it. Your board now captures the relationships that drive your project forward.